Hello guys, what's up? So today we're gonna correct our exercises, the extra exercises that I've sent you, okay? Any questions, just ask me, okay? So preposition 1, okay? So exercises list prepositions 1. This is the answers, these are the answers, but if you have any questions, you can watch the video to see the correction, okay? So, the correct options that complete the sentence in the text. So, let's read the text. No teacher is perfect and all teachers have bad habits. Being a good teacher means reflecting over, right? About, on. So, reflecting on the following habits. Nos que seguem, né? And trying to reduce them as such as possible. TTT, teacher talking time, stands for teacher talking time. Obviously, during the course of the class, if it is necessary for the teachers to explain rules, give advices, and talk about instructions, among other things. However, teachers should attempt to limit their amount of time that they spend speaking in the class in order to maximize the opportunity that students have to speak. A good rule of thumb is aiming for around 30% of teacher and 70% of students talking. This means planning out what you will say and when and how, okay? Good, so letter E, okay? On, for, off. Text 2, the disappearing honeybee. So, let's see. So you have there. They fly around the pollinate flowers, plants and trees. Our fruits, nuts and vegetables rely on, okay? They rely on these pollinators. 1/3 of America's food supply is pollinated by the honeybee, okay? So, teacher is even marking here because on, off. This I just did it. Okay, so rely on these pollinators. 1/3 of Americans' food supply is pollinated by the honeybee. Okay? Exercise number 2, done. Exercise number 3. If you can't wait, after my meeting with Jack, we can talk then. Ok? Então, identify the best option. Então, se você não consegue esperar até, certo? Depois do meu encontro com o Jack, a gente pode conversar então, ok? Letter C, until, ok? As outras opções nem cabem, né? Elas nem combinam. Okay, exercise 3 to answer 4. Guys, I'm not gonna read the whole text, okay? But you have there the lines, okay? So 2, 3, 20 and 27 para compartilhar para dar a sequência, né? Então, linha 2. Move to Europe for 3 months. Now you just need to turn on Netflix, okay? Great. Language learning with Netflix is a Chrome extension that lets you watch shows with 2 subtitles on at the same time, okay? Both times. Remember, specific times, at the same time. Then you have line 20. More features like additional subtitles for dubbed dialogue, okay? Which would only be available for paying, blah, 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 blah. Line 27. So then we can jump. Can make its way beyond browsers soon because it's obvious that the potential for language, okay? So it would be letter C, okay? Exercise 4. Guys, if you have any questions about the text, interpretation, I just didn't want to do it reading all the text because I thought that would be too long, okay? 5, too many students rely on the internet to conduct researchers, okay? So the other options of the internet wouldn't be possible. For the internet could be possible, but not this idea. From the internet could be, but it gives the idea when it comes to the idea of the internet, when you receive a message, would be on the possible answer, okay? Observe the sentence below. So they made her comfortable and put a blanket over her. Do they live in the chalet above the village? If you ate over 100 kilograms, then you may need a start diet, to start a diet. Pour some cream above the tart and serve it warm. Okay, so what are the correct answers, guys, in your opinion? So, exercise 1, 2, and 3. That's correct. Let me see if I put it right. Yes, I did. Okay, so exercise 6A. All right, so they made her comfortable and put a blanket over her. Is correct. All right. Exercise 2. Do they live in a chalet above the village? Yes, it is true too. If you weigh over 100 kilograms, then you may need to start a diet. It's also correct. Okay. 7. Choose the best alternative to complete the blanks. Anne was born, remember, specific dates, okay? Okay, specific dates. On July 2nd, okay? In the morning, remember, part of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, okay? So, in the morning, in Germany, countries, all right? If you have any questions about that, watch the video again, que a teacher mandou para vocês, tudo bem? Então, é a letra A, right? Okay, 7A. 8. Complete the sentences with in, at, or on, and choose the correct alternative, okay? So, exercise 8. Let's do this. A teacher teve que imprimir tudo, gente. O computador da teacher deu uma pifadinha de leve. Okay, so, she lives in the countryside, right? Okay. Mark is at the university. Pessoal, lembra? Lugar específico, at the kitchen. In the university, okay? At the university. Don't drop litter on the ground. Sobre, okay? Sob o chão. I arrived in the US last week. Letter B, okay? Here's letter B. O que a teacher pôs aqui? 8. Right, correto. A teacher ainda escreveu errado aqui, eu tô refazendo. Boa. Vamos lá. Tribute to Franz Kafka. Okay, you had to read the text and everything else, blah, 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 okay? So then, which sentence below is correctly written considering the prepositions of time? Quais delas foram escritas corretamente, okay? Kafka was born at 1883 and died at 1924. Kafka was born on 1883 and died on 1924. Kafka was born at July in 1883 and died in June 1924. Kafka was born on July 1883 and died on June 1924. Kafka was born in July 1883 and died in June 1924. So, teacher put it here. 9. Letter E, okay? So, Kafka was born in July 1883 and died in June 1924, okay? Okay, text 5. Answer the following questions. So, you have number 1, 2, 3, and then you have to complete with the prepositions, the right prepositions, okay? So, let's see. You had there 1, buy McLemore, right? And Ryan Lewis, Google Kenya has refused to pull the video from YouTube, where it has now been viewed over 140,000 times. Regulation banned in the video for late February, claiming that that the content threatens to turn the country into Sodom and Gomorrah, okay? And declaring that anyone caught distributing it would be punished, okay? Okay, so letter A, right? By, over, into. Guys, I'm sorry because to take so long to give you the answers, because I put the answers in one paper and put the exercises in another. So I first put the answers here, and then I just did it with you right here without looking the answers. So I'm sorry for taking so long. But if you have any questions, you can send me any messages, okay? And next class we're gonna correct the prepositions of movements, okay? So be connected. Don't forget to look, and I hope you see you on live. Bye.